My previous two artworks were monochromatic and I played around with volumetric scattering in it. So for this one I had to do something similar. I wanted to experiment with fluid simulation for the first time inside 3D Studio Max. So after giving it a thought, I decided that I would have some kind of hands with water falling on it. That would make a nice abstract image. Now I did not have to model a hand from scratch since I made an artwork years ago which involved one. So I just reused it. After importing it, I spent a lot of time setting it up in a way that will look good. I duplicated it and made it look such that these hands were trying to contain the water falling from above. But the water would come later. First, the lighting. I want some warm sunlight and some sweet God rays, so I designed an enclosure and punched a hole in it which would act as a window. Then I created the sun and enabled volumetric scattering. But it did not look that good. So I changed the direction of the light such that it would come from above. That looked much better. Now it was finally time for the water simulation. I created a source, tweaked some settings and started simulating it. But I did not like it. So I made some changes and simulated it again. I did not like it either. So I did it again and again and again until I came to something similar to what I had inside my head. The skin looked weird, so I enabled subsurface scattering to make it more natural. With this done, I applied the appropriate materials, set up the caustics to work, and I created an abstract glass object to cover up the window in order to naturally diffuse and refract the light, maybe even bring in some caustics. After some final touches and improvements here and there, it was finally done and rendered. But I wanted a shot from a different angle, so I created a new camera in a different position and rendered it as well, this time with a Z-depth pass, so that I can bring in some depth of field in post. It was time to bring these raw renders into Photoshop and tweak them to make them look even better, both of them. And that's it. These are the final result. Comment down below whether you liked this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.